Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how to make this super easy and very pretty Christmas wreath cupcake topper. So to begin with, I've just got some dark green modelling paste that I'm kneading to a pliable, and then I'm just going to roll it into a tube. So this is Meadow Green Modelling Paste by Dutchess, and I will leave a link to everything used in this tutorial in the description. So once I've got it the width that I want, I'm just using a cake smoother just to make it nice and smooth. And I'm just going to check for size because this is the base of the wreath, so this is going to be put into a circle. So that's the size I want my wreath to be. So now I'm just using a little bit of edible glue to stick the two ends together. And I'm just going to smooth that off and help the join with my fingers. Doesn't matter if you still see a join because we'll be covering that up later. Okay, so I'm just going to put that to one side while I cut out some holly leaves. And you can see here I've got two different shades of green modelling paste. I'm just going to use my holly plunger just to push into the paste, then press down to make the veins of the holly, and then press down again to flick it out. And I'm just going to go around and I'm just going to get a few of each colour. Okay, so now I've cut some out and I'm just going to apply some edible glue all around the tops and sides of the ring we just made. And then I'm just going to pick up the holly and I'm just going to stick it on top. There is no pattern to this, I just pop them on, some can overlap. You just want to completely cover the ring that you've made. Okay, so that's about done, and I'm just using a dry brush just to go around and just to pull out some of the leaves, just to give it a little bit of movement. There we go. So now I'm just using some red modelling paste, or you could use red fondant. And I'm just making some little tiny balls just for holly. I'm just going to pop them onto a couple of the holly leaves. Okay, so now I've just got some sprinkles. I've got some star sprinkles and some silver ball sprinkles. Just pulled them out of a sprinkle mix that I had. And I'm just using some edible glue just to stick them onto the wreath. Again, I'm just using a clean dry brush just to shape it a little bit before adding some sparkle. I'm using Sugar Flares Finishing Sparkle. Just going to spray that all over. I hope you can see that there. And that is your Christmas wreath cupcake topper made. I really hope that you liked this tutorial. Please don't forget to check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas!